Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C tablets easily. First, understand that vitamin C is crucial for many bodily functions, including immune support and skin health. Tablets provide a simple, measured dose. It's important to always check the specific instructions on your chosen supplement for proper use and safety. Let's dive into the benefits and best practices. Vitamin C offers numerous health advantages. It's well known for boosting your immune system, helping your body fight off illness. Beyond that, it's vital for collagen synthesis, which keeps your skin, hair, and nails healthy. Plus, it's a strong antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. These benefits make it a popular daily supplement.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Determining the right dosage is key. Most adults find 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams daily effective. For optimal absorption, you might consider taking half your dose in the morning and half in the evening. Always take your vitamin C tablet with a meal or snack. This helps prevent any stomach discomfort and improves its uptake. When choosing a vitamin C tablet, quality matters. Opt for brands that are transparent about their sourcing and have undergone third-party testing for purity. Ascorbic acid is the standard and most effective form. You can also find chewable tablets for convenience or sustained-release options for a gradual release of the vitamin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.